Ka Indian Institute of Technology kadai kawai ne katna terekam bala itu ban menjuda ka sorkar pedeng bakan penterekam ya kiskim na ka benta ban rep ya Diengsohphoh Tit ubajutip ha kaktin pareng kum uwail apple ne uso apple cloud ubakin rei ba ban mi ha ki cloud ki betam ha ka ne ka jelajongi Henry kinong chong shnong kim patip satia ba ude ujai so ubarem dor bat ubadon kam hadu kata Deitat hadu mentakasngi ba ukishur Goswami ubade unong pe nong kami ya kate katna terekam kabadon ha Guwahati lamba kajing itu ita bat uwei urang ba na Nongstoin ula betha ya utei urang ba unlum ya ki Nongrep na kabenta ba unwan man pensyai ha kabaide bat kajing temu jong sorkar pedeng ban penterekam ya kate skim na kabenta ki Nongrep ki bakwa ban rep ya utei ujai so Haga tegas ngi lapan long ya ka program bekerpang ha Nongstoin haga baki Nongrep kila poi bat kila yo ya ka jing pensyai na ute unong peng ya ka tegat na terekam kumjuru na uwe pat u scientist ubalai wan rengkat bat u.
What will be my cost of harvesting? If I sell it in market, Nongstoin market, how much money I may get? Whether consumers are ready to purchase? If consumers are ready to purchase, how much they are ready to get? So there will be a consumer survey also. So one objective of this project is market linkage. Means we try to link up you, which consumer, who will purchase it, 20 rupees. When you are harvesting it and selling it in market or maybe in local. Sometimes people are not selling also. It is simply getting down and it is simply rotten. People are not.
The Chinese, they take this from Vietnam. Even China doesn't have this fruit. They prepare wine, they prepare pickles, they prepare jam, they prepare jelly, they prepare candy, some chewing gum type of thing, and they are preparing, one company in Manipur, they are preparing chocolates, like Cadbury you have seen now. So in your place, it is being thrown. You are cutting it. After 10-15 years, there will be no wild apple in your place. We will lose the resource. We will lose the resource. There will be no wild apple here. But at the same time, wild apple is being used for making wine, pickles, this jam, jelly. If you sell these things to companies, you will get money. Otherwise, it is being wasted. From our laboratory, we'll give you the saplings. Saplings we can grow in your land, and we will do the grafting. Grafting with a better variety. In Nagaland, the fruit is little bit bigger. In your place, it's little bit smaller. In the plant which will be grown here will be grafted with a better one, so that you get fruit in 3 to 5 years.